Plant a tree.
Make it count.
Breathe easier.
We need to get a wheelbarrow full of mulch at each of the 10 holes. We're going so fast because we have all of you.
We're organizing community members and different groups to come out here, and we're going to plant a total of 75 trees.
All right, ready?
MDE, we are here to make sure that Maryland is green, is vibrant.
This protects our watershed, improves water quality, and beautifies our spaces for Baltimore City folks.
Because it's the most important thing you can do is boots on the ground.
I've been wanting to get outside and actually have a real impact.
I love being able to immediately see a difference.
Well, I just love being out in nature, and this is a really great opportunity to also help out in the community.
I'm a big fan of taking out invasives.
We're clearing out some invasive species, so like the wineberry, which is delicious but unfortunately invasive.
Wanted to connect with other employees and fellow like-minded environmental individuals.
It's important for us to ensure that the city is clean, has clean air for everyone.
I love hiking, so this is great being able to help the trees I walk around so often.
It's not hard to plant a tree. It's actually really, really fun.
I think this is an example of, what's possible when city and state agencies work together with nonprofits and community to make good things happen for kids, the environment, and then that benefits everybody.